Something strange is happening with RAM, and it might trick a lot of people. A new DDR5 type called HUDIMM is coming, and it sounds cheap for a reason. Here's the catch. Regular DDR5 uses 2 data channels. HUDIMM, it cuts that in half. That means lower bandwidth, and yes, lower performance. Sure, it can be cheaper, because companies reuse imperfect chips. Sounds smart, but there's a downside. In gaming or multitasking, that performance drop can actually matter. So if you ever see RAM that looks too cheap, don't rush. It might not be a deal. It might be a downgrade. Subscribe if you want to avoid mistakes like this.